Cuban food is more than just sustenance, it's an experience. It's a journey that takes you through the heart of the island, revealing its vibrant culture and rich history with every bite. It's the soul of a nation, deeply embedded in every recipe and every shared meal. It represents the collective identity and spirit of the Cuban people. A tapestry of history and culture, woven together with flavors that tell a story of resilience and adaptation. Each ingredient carries a legacy. Each dish is a story of survival, reflecting the ingenuity and resourcefulness of generations past. Adaptation and joy, even in the face of adversity. It's a celebration of life, shared around the table with loved ones. Reflecting the island's bold spirit, its vibrant colors, and its unwavering sense of community. Influences from Spanish cultures, bringing with them techniques and ingredients that have been adapted and transformed over centuries. African traditions, adding depth and complexity to the cuisine with bold spices and unique cooking methods. And Taino heritage, contributing native ingredients and culinary practices that form the foundation of Cuban flavors. Merge into Cocina Criolla, a vibrant fusion of flavors that is uniquely Cuban. The heart of Cuban cooking, where simple ingredients are transformed into culinary masterpieces. Simple ingredients like rice, beans, and plantains form the cornerstone of many Cuban dishes. Transformed with patience and love, simmered slowly to develop rich and complex flavors. Become art on the plate, a visual feast that is as pleasing to the eye as it is to the palate. Cuban cuisine celebrates resourcefulness, a testament to the Cuban spirit of making the most of what's available. Making the most of what you have, turning humble ingredients into extraordinary meals, with flair and passion, reflecting the vibrant energy and warmth of the Cuban people. Meals are balanced, nourishing, and designed to sustain both body and soul, and deeply connected to family and tradition, passed down through generations with love and care. To eat Cuban food is to taste history, to experience the stories and struggles of a nation. Resilience, a quality that shines through in every aspect of Cuban life, including its cuisine, and the enduring spirit of its people, a spirit that is both strong and joyful, and always ready to celebrate life. Every Cuban dish is a living history lesson. Take moros y cristianos, rice and beans, a symbol of the island's past and cultural fusion. Scarcity bred creativity. Cuban cooks learned to stretch ingredients and create flavor from little. Recipes are sacred heirlooms, passed down through generations, keeping memories alive. Spanish influences, African influences, and Taino influences blend into a cuisine that's uniquely Cuban. Each bite is a journey through time, a taste of resilience and transformation. Tradition anchors Cuban cooking, wherever families may be. Food is a powerful link to home and heritage. Sofrito, the cornerstone of Cuban flavor. It all begins with onions, diced and ready to release their sweet aroma. These form the foundation upon which all other flavors are built. Next comes garlic, minced fine to ensure its pungent essence permeates every corner of the dish. It's a vital component, adding depth and complexity. And then, the vibrant bell peppers, sautéed slowly in oil until they soften and their sweetness intensifies, creating a beautiful base. This simple yet profound combination is the aromatic heart of Cuban cuisine, a testament to the power of fresh ingredients. This base, rich in antioxidants and flavor, starts countless dishes, from hearty stews to flavorful rice dishes. It sets the tone not only for incredible flavor, but also for health, showcasing the island's commitment to fresh, wholesome ingredients. The Cuban pantry is a treasure trove of tropical delights, reflecting the island's fertile land and vibrant culture. Plantains, in their various stages of ripeness, are a constant presence. Yuca, also known as cassava, provides a hearty and versatile starch. And beans, especially black beans, are staples, providing essential protein and fiber. Each of these ingredients is used in creative ways, showcasing the ingenuity of Cuban cooks. Green plantains, when fried twice, become crispy tostones, a savory delight. Ripe ones transform into sweet maduros, caramelized to perfection. Cumin, oregano, and bay leaf, the holy trinity of Cuban spices, add depth and complexity to every dish, offering both flavor and health benefits. Yuca, whether boiled until tender or fried to a golden crisp, is a legacy from the Taino people, the island's original inhabitants. It continues to provide essential energy and nutrition to the Cuban people. These humble ingredients, transformed with care and passion, define everyday Cuban life, bringing families together around the table. The result? meals that are not only incredibly delicious, but also deeply nourishing, reflecting the heart and soul of Cuba. Ropa Vieja, which translates to old clothes, shredded beef simmered in a vibrant tomato and pepper sauce, is not only Cuba's national dish, but also a powerful symbol of resourcefulness and culinary ingenuity. It represents the ability to create something extraordinary from simple ingredients. Slow cooked with love and patience to achieve ultimate tenderness, allowing the flavors to deepen and intensify, the beef becomes a sponge, eagerly absorbing the aromatic essence of the sofrito, the sweetness of ripe tomatoes, and the warmth of carefully selected spices. More than just a meal, the dish is a celebration, a centerpiece at family gatherings and festive occasions, traditionally served with fluffy white rice, savory black beans, and slices of perfectly caramelized sweet plantains, creating a symphony of flavors and textures. Making ropa vieja is more than just following a recipe. It's an act of love, a testament to patience, and a connection to generations past. The journey begins by simmering a flavorful flank steak, gently coaxing out its rich flavors with the help of fragrant onion, pungent garlic, and the subtle herbaceousness of bay leaf until the beef is incredibly tender and easily falls apart. Once cooled, the beef is carefully shredded, then sautéed onions and bell peppers are gently softened in a generous drizzle of olive oil, creating a sweet and aromatic base, followed by the addition of minced garlic, earthy cumin, and fragrant oregano, a rich tomato sauce, juicy diced tomatoes, and a splash of dry white wine to deglaze the pan and add a touch of acidity. The shredded beef is then lovingly returned to the pan, along with a ladle or two of flavorful beef broth, a fresh bay leaf, a pinch of salt, a grind of black pepper, and left to simmer gently until all the flavors have harmoniously melded together. The result is a deeply satisfying and comforting meal, incredibly rich in both flavor and tradition, a true taste of Cuban soul. Every single bite is a delicious taste of Cuban heritage, a culinary journey through history and culture. Cuban food is a heritage that nourishes body and soul. Built on whole foods, fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and slow-cooked flavors, it's inherently balanced and healthful. Beans, yuca, plantains, and sofrito create meals that promote energy and well-being. Sharing a Cuban meal is sharing identity, pride, and family history. The aromas and flavors connect generations, evoking memories and belonging. Cuban cuisine is a testament to resilience, creativity, and the enduring power of culture. Every plate is an invitation to taste the vibrant story of Cuba.